John Rhodes.
What are you doing?
I'm stretching because I'm old.
Can you show us your favorite stretch?
I'm in it. This is it.
That's it?
This is my favorite stretch right here. You have to have a long Achilles to make it work. It's like one of the only things I have for dance that's good.
What draws you to the Performing Arts Project?
To TPAP, well, first it was JB, Jonathan Bernstein, because he's an old friend, and he's awesome. But then since then, I was just thinking about this last night, that it is, I think it brings out everyone's best selves, honestly, more than anything else.
Cool. What have the students at TPAP been able to teach you?
Well, kind of that. I mean, the fact that they're willing to kind of do anything. They're super game, as we say here all the time. And that reminds me that I have to be game, because sometimes, you know, we get a little closed up and set in our ways. And so it's a good reminder to, like, not be loose.
What has been the best part of your year so far?
My year or my TPAPian year?
Your year.
My year. I did a piece in Russia on a company there called Gel, called Let Go. That was an hour-long a ballet, basically, about what it sounds like, sort of about love and loss and moving on. And it was a pretty cathartic experience. And I was in Russia for a month. So that was cool.
Do you have any pets?
I have 2 dogs.
What is your guilty pleasure?
Oof. I got a lot of those. I like bourbon.
Can you invent a dance move right now?
Yeah. Eat. All right,
What's
what?
that called?
It's called the Eat. EET.
What's your favorite song to play in dance class?
Oh, I have a lot. Gosh. Oh, I know. There's a song. What is it? I can't remember the name of the song, but the chorus goes, "Oh, baby, it's all right. It's all right to feel like a fat child in a pushchair."
What is the first thing you notice about people?
Oh, wow. I think their countenance, like if they are dark or light or anxious or at ease.
What's your spirit animal?
The first thing I thought of was rabbit, but I don't think that's right. I think it's more ferret.
Sweet or savory?
I like both. I'm going to go sweet, though.
What would you say to somebody who was thinking about coming to TPAP?
Come on! What are you waiting for?
And can you describe the Performing Arts Project in one word?
Fantastic.
All right. Thank you so much, Andrew.
Thanks. See ya.
Enjoy your dance class.
Back to work. Wait. Oh.